Hello guys, welcome to Shomzi Official TV. I want to share with you guys the experience I had when I visited one rural area like that. So guys, no be small thing o. For my life, I have now gone to a swamp area to do some farm work like ude. Our people used to call it ude. I got to be n'ude ga kọọrọ ugbo ma ọ bụ gịnị, ịghọtago? So all of them na experience. I want to share it with you guys. Just keep watching this video. You will love what I'm gonna share. You will learn that so many people are living in this kind of area, but you guys don't know. Like so many people are farming in this kind of area, but some of us don't know. So I want to share with you guys. No be small thing. I for fall inside water today. Hey, no be small thing. Even I had to go to the farmland with boots, rain boots. I have not worn rain boots before, but because of this swamp area, I had to put on my rain boots. Keep watching and see how everything started and ended. All right. So guys, this is me coming out from the room. Man, I was very tired. Like it was early morning. So for that side, if you want to go to farm, just go to farm early morning around 7 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m. so that we come back early. My sister was busy calling me, but men all academ nanya. Hey, I was very weak, but wetin I go do now? I had to wake up to get prepared. So this is me trying to stretch my body, because I was just waking up from sleep. So guys, when I wanted to wear my slippers, my sister said no, no, that I have to put on the rain boot. If I wear the slippers, I will not walk very well in the farmland. So I had to obey her because I have not gone to that kind of place before. No be small experience. So keep watching, okay? So this is me trying to call the girl that will bring the rain boots for me so that I'll wear it before going there. So she later brought it for me. So the little girl came. When I asked her where she went to, she told me that she went to bring the bag that we used to pack the corns we harvest from the farm. Yeah, I was telling her to go to the inside room to bring the rain boots for me because she know where she kept it the last time they used it, and she went to bring it. Omo, no be small thing. Hey, how I go waka inside this rain boots, I don't know. Like I have not walked with rain boots before. Omo, make I no fall. Hey, no be small thing. Let's see how it will go now. Guys, maybe una no laugh me because I never waka with rain boots before. Hey. So see me trying to put on the rain boots, like I'm trying to wear it now. See how it's going. Hey. Sorry too much. So here I was asking her why are they putting on rain boots anytime they want to go to the farm. So she told me it's because that place is a swamp area, like it's a water area. You have to wear the rain boots so that you'll be able to walk very well. Tupu onye ahụ ada n'ime mmiri. So watch and see how everything is going, guys. So this is me. I'm done wearing the rain boots. It's time to go now. See me now. Kuna see my new walking step. Hey, no be small thing no. Guys, the come be side they learn how to walk again. Hey, this boot I no fit lift this boot up, like it's very heavy. Hey, I was forcing myself to walk with this rain boot. Guys, no be small experience, and like no be small thing. So this is me and my new walking step. So guys, don't mind the background. It was my sister Chizaram. I don't know what made her to start shouting. Her shouting made all of us to start laughing. So guys, it's time to go, but this fowl don't want to leave my way. This fowl is troublesome. Like if you don't chase it, it will not go, and if it's there, you will not pass. Like it will start chasing you. You know how this fowl behave. So I was busy looking for a stick that we used to chase it away so that I will go my way. You see, no be smart no. So guys, let's go there. We are going now. We are going to the swamp area. No be smart no.
Yeah, gabago.
The place is very far. Before you get to the farmland, you pass many forests. Ya gafegodi nnukwute ọfịa tupu ị na-erute ebe a kọrọ ya bụ ọrụ ugbo. Ọ bụrụkwa obere ihe o. No be small thing. We pass many things. I saw mud house. I saw many things when we are going. Different trees, different fruits. I saw both palm tree, plantation, cassava, many things I saw before we got to the farmland. So guys, you see all these people that living in rural area that really trying, like, you see, before they get what they will eat, they will work day and night, they will go to farm, do all sort of job before they will eat food. It's not easy. We pass many forests before we reach to the farmland.
Hi sis. Quiet we go.
Yeah, I was asking her whether are we not getting to the destination yet. She told me we're almost there. So yeah, we passed this water before getting to the place. Omo, no be small thing. Hey, see me now. I was very scared to pass here. But it was very easy for the small girl to pass. See me still shaking, and the small girl was busy laughing at me. I no blame her sha, because she's used to it. Me, I'm not used to it. So see me getting ready to pass this water. I nearly fell inside this water. Hey, but I stand kagaraga like a soldier. Hey, see me now.
Oh, do you hear me? Oh, yeah.
So guys, thank God I finally crossed the water, man. I was scared, but I later crossed the water. See me, I'm trying to remove some water inside the rain boot. When I was inside the water, some water entered inside the rain boot through some opening. Hey, here, you have to cross another dirty water again. I don't know what to call this one. Like, it's doing pium. Guys know how swamp area used to be, man. This water is very dirty. Hey, as I was crossing the water, I was busy playing, make I no fall inside though, make my rainboot no come out. So hey, see how dirty it is, man. These people are trying. Like, they will pass all through this before they will get food they will eat. Hey, oh God help us. So like, it's not easy. See bush everywhere. This one you have to cross water before you get to the farmland. No be small thing, no. Hey, so I shout till we reach to the farmland. Seriously, they are trying. Hey, I thought snake would have bite me here because everywhere is so bushy. Like, everywhere is filled with water also. Thank God nothing happened to us. See now, see the dirty water. See how it is. See what I just crossed now. Hey, God, no, wow. There's nothing I no go see you. This one we pass plantain. As you guys know, this is plantain tree. I don't know whether I have it in your country. I don't know whether I have it in your village, in your state. We pass other things like breadfruit tree. You guys will still see it. We pass palm tree and others. So guys, this is the plantain. This is the plantain, as you guys can see it, but this one is not yet okay to be consumed. Then this is breadfruit. Ukwa. These are the things we pass. See us, we are going, we are almost there.
Yeah, we go for just small. Yeah, galu.
Living in the village is not easy at all. I must appreciate those that stay in the village. They are really trying.
Okay. Hey.
And where you go side there?
Yes, we can go there.
That's one you get behind.
Yeah.
Across. Wow.
Ah, monsieur. Monsieur. Yeah, few of the lights. Yes, we can go there. Nchika later the lights.
Okay, I'm a jiba achara around.
Iba hana had their hairs weak, a fellow solo like this. Have a zoe Kenya. There you follow Haggis Iba Reba. Girls wake. Yes. Actually, Zika Fabata, but like he actually leaning more Bezwake. Bateba Bezwake.
Okay, come with 3 rooms. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Yeah. One cow, the first room, second room, third room. Cows in. Tiger. Everywhere, I could take a fan chadis. Yeah. Only to go on a No. Hey, guys, see where I'm going to. I've not been this kind of place before, but I will try. Everywhere, but milli.
So guys, here we saw house they built as a resting place and made some children here. Wow, I was so happy when I saw the children in the house. So keep watching and enjoy more. Okay, rice is at the back.
Yeah, I'll talk to Sade. Okay, you turn to more.
Show them the rice. Okay, if I like rice, we then milli.
Another milli.
Okay, zoom it very well. See you. So guys, when I said village people, they are really trying, like those living in the village, they are really trying. What I saw here was really great. Like they have many things here. They have rice farmland, cassava, corn, many things. I saw many things. I was so happy.
I am in the clock side there.
So guys, watch out to the next video to see when we went to cut the corn and what happened there. Don't miss out the next video, alright? Love you guys. Remember to share. Bye. Mwah.